Rhubarb, rhubarb, rhubarb. G'day. We've got rhubarb. Now I ordered this in from Diggers Club because I wanted a bit more variety in the rhubarb varieties that we've got. And a couple of my plants actually died over the summer heat. So we'll open it up, we'll see what we've got. I'll show you how we plant it and where we plant it. And hopefully we'll get a good crop when the time is right. So let's open her up. Always nice to get stuff from Diggers. They do pack things well. So there's a covering sheet there. And I think we have, we'll take that out. It's upside down. Oh, they are looking very yellow. Okay, so first impressions. They're looking a little wilted. They did take a while to prepare. Not that long to come across, but quite a while to get packed up and ready to go. So there's 4 lots here. And we'll see what we've got. Now, as we can see, they're looking a little yellowed and wilted, but I'm sure we can bring them back to life. I'm not going to put them directly in the garden. I'm going to put them in the greenhouse for a little while, just to get their strength back up. Let them get a little bit better established before we repot them, or put them out in our raised bed. This one here is Tina Noble, Rim X Hybridium. Special bred variety, prolific, deep red crimson stems, which is what I want, because I do want the really deep red, because the jams and the rhubarb shrubs that I'm making, I'll link to those up here as well. The colour's nice. You want to have it that nice red colour. And my Victoria rhubarb tends to only be in the green stem. So that is the reason I got that one. What's the other ones I've got? We've got another Tina Noble there. Over at this side we have and this one is our big boy. I've already got a big boy, but it was a really tasty one, so I thought we'd get another. So I've got the big boy there. Our big boy is, what does it say here? A popular market garden variety from Queensland, edible, long slender stems, flush with burgundy as they make their way up towards the green leaves. Grown full sun or part shade in hotter climates. So we're definitely the part shade. All right, what else have we got? This one here is our winter wonder. So the idea behind this is hopefully to get a bit of a spread of our rhubarb, so it's not all ready at one time. So this is a cold tolerant variety, glows red during the cool winter months when other rhubarbs are ready to be cut back. So for extending our rhubarb harvest. There's a big boy and here's a different one. I got a couple of each, just in case something happens and they don't survive. This is a Ruby Red Dwarf. Oh, let's take that out. Ruby Red Dwarf. So this is a compact Old English variety that's perfect for pots. Grown in Australia for over 100 years. Short, thick, ruby stems bear distinctive blue-green leaves. Well, we can't see the blue-green leaves because it's looking a bit anemic at the moment. But just another variety that we have there. This is our big boy. Chalk it out. Again, looking a little sick, but we'll take care of them and hopefully they'll come good. And over here we have another Winter Wonder and Ruby Red Dwarf. As I said, I've got 2 of each of the varieties that were available. Because I like variety. Ooh. And hopefully these will come good in the greenhouse. They are looking very anemic. And there's our other Winter Wonder. So we're going to put them out in the greenhouse for a while, get them re-established, so remember what they look like. Hopefully we'll get some nice green leaves on them, get them established before we put them out in our rhubarb patch. So here they are here, and what I'm going to do is just add on some mineral water. No, it's just some seaweed booster. So we'll put a bit of that in each one. Good tonic for it. Not really a fertilizer, but a good whack on each one. I've got one way over here. And there we are, in their new home for a while. Semi-shade, bit of seaweed elixir on them, and hopefully I'll get their colour back. They're not looking good, are they? I shall give them another week and put some more sea salt on them. While I was at it, because the freight costs a fair bit in the quarantine, I thought I'd get some extra stuff. And this is what I've got. I never buy enough broadbean seeds. We really, really love fresh broadbeans. They're nothing like you buy the frozen ones or the tinned ones. They are absolutely delicious if you grow them at home. So I bought the broadbean Aqua Dulce, regarded the best broadbean for autumn sowing. Now autumn, I've got to get these in really soon. So I got a big pack, 500 broadbeans, which I probably won't sow all of this year, maybe a half. But it should give me enough to get a really decent crop if the rats don't get it first. Also got some giant snow peas and some more parsnips. So just a couple of extra things thrown in because the freight costs a lot. But still worth it for the variety. What do you reckon? So you're a fan of rhubarb? If you are, what's your favourite variety? Let me know in the comments. If I haven't got it, I'll try and get it. If you know where I can get it in Australia, let me know that as well. So you guys enjoy life, and I'll catch you in the rhubarb patch.